One side will make me grow... But which is which? After all that's happened, I wonder if I don't care. I'm tired of being only 3 inches high. Yeah, 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 yeah!
A serpent! Help! Help! Serpent! Serpent!
Oh, but please, please!
Off with you! Shoo! Shoo! Go away! Serpent! Serpent!
But I'm not a serpent!
Huh? Indeed? Then just what are you?
I'm just a little girl.
Little? Ha! Little?
Well, I am. I mean, I was.
And I suppose you don't eat eggs either.
Yes, I do.
I knew it! I knew it! Serpent! Serpent!
Oh, for goodness sake. And the other side will...
The very idea. Spend all my time laying eggs for serpents like her.
Goodness. I wonder if I'll ever get the knack of it. There, that's much better. Better save these.